Statisticians Nika and Rhea.
Yeah.
Stats ain't no game. Stats ain't no game. No need to complain. Stats ain't no game. Ain't no game. I'm about to school you on some true stat game. Fosco the teacher, so you know it ain't lame. We gotta cover chapter 1 through 11, so I'ma make this quick so she can just step in. Chapter 1, exploring data. It's two types, categorical, quantitative. When you go to compare distributions, there's only one solution. Go by the acronym SOX, shape, outlier, center spread. Yeah. Skew to the left, skew to the right, bell shaped, bimodal, uniform, all the types. Outliers over here, over there, then you got your center, it ain't going nowhere. Finally, you got your spread, close together, far apart, use your head. Chapter 2, let's go with distributions, curves and plots, so many solutions. Let me put you on a simple equation so you'll understand my persuasion. Score mean over standard deviation. Don't get caught up in a sticky situation. Chapter 3 was all about relationships, so pay attention and you will just catch a drift. Interpret the slope, find association, strength, direction, form, correlation. It's so much, I'ma head over to my chapter 4, making all the studies with all the samples. This could be ugly. Is it an observation, experiment, control, placebo, treatment? And then we got chapter 5 about probability. It better be 5. Don't make it complicated like you and I. It's kinda simple. It's rolling the die. Do a two-way table or diagram to find an intersection or union. Independent or mutually exclusive. Topics like this are always inconclusive. Stats ain't no game. Stats ain't no game. No need to complain. Stats ain't no game. Ain't no game.
Chapter 6 through 12 was lit. Got confused on chapter 9 a little bit. Had a hard time finding the test please fit, but each FRQ was 1 or 2 tests. Sample C, proportion C, whichever works best. In chapter 6 we learned about random variables, discrete or continuous, both animals. Discrete has a finite number of outcomes. Continuous is just like Mike True and his thumb. Chapter 7 was about 7 distributions. Remember the statistic and the solution. We also learned about the central lit theorem. If n is not at least 30, what we do, we kill them. But don't kill them too hard. Chapter 8 came up and we was a little scarred. We are 99% confident that the true me is somewhere in between being broken trees and trees. Chapter 10 was my lowest test grade. Ain't do my homework, guess I just played. We're comparing two proportions or means. Don't forget to say both or it won't be clean. The easiest chapter was 12 and 11. Got my test that felt like I was in heaven. Most of it was old, that's about it. Only thing that was new was forgiveness and fear.
Ain't no game. Ain't no game. No need to complain. Stats ain't no game. Ain't no game.
Now we're done telling you what you need to do to get higher than the score of a 1 or 2. I'ma do what I gotta do at FSU.
But my knowledge don't stop in the classroom. I'm taking stats all the way to the dorm room. I might need it one day, real soon. All the things that we learned this far gonna put me on top of the Rattler squad.